Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I will show you how can you disable guys this do not disturb setting in your iPhone. Guys, you want to disable guys this do not disturb, so guys you can disable it. In this video guys, I will show you how to disable this do not disturb in iPhone 13 phone. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, now let's start the video. First of all guys, come in your phone setting app to disable this do not disturb. As you can see this focus, guys click here. First one guys, click on do not disturb, and guys you can disable from here guys. Your do not disturb will disable in your iPhone guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to disable do not disturb in iPhone 13. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with the topic. Before going, please go and like me to subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.